One government report projects that by the year 2000, the United States will have a 30-hour work week and month-long vacation as the rule. A lot of this new free time will be spent at home.
I'm on a bus, I'm in a car, I'm on a train, I'm flying on an aeroplane. I'm in my home, I'm with a friend, I'm on a screen. I guess I'm always somewhere in between. I am an artist, I'm one of a kind. I could share with the world all the things on my mind. My heart's always open, my mind's always free. I'm everything, and everything is me. I am an extroverted introvert, a white t-shirt, red socks and a pair of jeans. I thought I'd find myself inside a vintage store, but then they told me it was only mainstream. I am a nomad inside a cocoon, gotta travel the earth, gotta walk on the moon. No borders, no boundaries inside of my dreams. I'm everything, do you know what that means? Sometimes I'm longing for my mommy, 'cause she told me she'd love me, whatever I might do. Sometimes I'm longing to belong here in this world, 'cause I'm lost and so confused. Sometimes I'm haunted by the things I've always wanted, 'cause I never really learned to choose. Sometimes I'm stuck inside my room scrolling Facebook, 'cause I can't bear to face the truth. Millennial blue. Millennial blues. I like it. Millennial blues. Millennial blues. Specified, I'm undetermined, undefined, more than my chromosomes and genes. I've got the wisdom of a million years, but I can party like I'm 17. I am a Buddhist, I can live in the now, I can travel through time. Oh, I'll show you how my options are open, 'cause the future's unsure, and so I'm everything and more. Sometimes I'm longing for my mommy, 'cause she told me she'd love me, whatever I might do. Sometimes I'm longing to belong here in this world, 'cause I'm lost and so confused. Sometimes I'm haunted by the things I've always wanted, 'cause I never really learned to choose. Sometimes I'm stuck inside my room scrolling Facebook, 'cause I can't bear to face the truth. Millennial blue. Millennial blues. I like it. Millennial blues. Millennial blues. Specified, I'm undetermined, undefined, more than my chromosomes and genes. I've got the wisdom of a million years, but I can party like I'm 17. I am a Buddhist, I can live in the now, I can travel through time. Oh, I'll show you how my options are open. Cause the future's unsure, and so I'm everything and more.
The possibilities for the evening's program are called up on this screen. We could watch a football game, or a movie shown in full color on our big 3D television screen. The sound would come from these globe-like speakers. Or with the push of a button, we could momentarily escape from our 21st century lives